Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to grow on TikTok. And if you want to discover how to grow your followers so you can build up an engaged audience of TikTok users, what you're going to do first, you're going to identify your target audience, whether it was for entertainment, education, whatever. The second thing that you need to do in order to grow in TikTok, you need to pay attention to the trends. So you will need to go ahead to explore right here and see what are the new trends on TikTok, or even just go ahead right here and watch the TikTok feed, and you're gonna know what's popping in TikTok. The third way to actually know or to actually build your audience is by creating a TikTok challenge. And the fourth way is to include the right hashtags for you, or hashtags for the targeted audience on your niche. And the fifth way is to publish TikTok videos at the right times by just clicking right here and just start posting on TikTok by maybe recording a video or a set of photos. And the sixth step, which is the last step, is to leverage music and trending song by just going ahead right here. Let's have an example. I'm gonna just go ahead and take a picture, for example. And after I took a picture, you're gonna see right here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the arrow kind of a thing right here, and you're gonna see multiple options. Click the edit at the top, the first one, and you're gonna just add sounds, and from there you're gonna see all the recommended or the trending songs inside the TikTok. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.